Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 8th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the US dollar Canadian, the daily did turn up. As you can see, if we go up to the daily real quick, we definitely did have like a nice engulfing move to the upside. We had a pretty nice little higher low after a break of structure. So, hopefully, this is either going to be a 1, 2, 3 like this, go up and break structure, or it's going to be potentially and ABC corrects into the last 5 waves down. Either way, it should potentially make a pretty nice move up on the shorter time frames. So I am definitely recommending longs. I got my Fibonacci retracement on just the last impulsive move, not the whole impulsive move, just the last wave of that impulsive move. Because if the market's going to continue to trend, then it should potentially just be a 1, 2, 3 wave pullback to a Fibonacci retracement level, nice engulfing up, and that potentially should be my next entry to go long. Hopefully for the continuation of either a wave C or a wave 3 on the daily time frame, like I showed. And either way, it potentially should be a pretty nice trade. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.